Pero tutorial muna kita. Parang ganito kasi yun. She's smiling like she just smiled way back then. Igaganto mo yung paa mo. Then, ganyan. They try, ganyan. For something good, like that. May ganun yun eh. Hindi ko lang alam pagkakasunod. May nga. Check ko. Ulitin ko. May gata. It's smelling like she is my way back then. Tingnan mo tong paa. Then, dapat ko-corti kang C. Then, she tried. Like that. May ganyan siya. For something good thing. Like, waiting for. Ganyan, Mima. Gets nyo? Na-gets nyo? Medyo magulo yan. Paano wala? She's smelling like she is my way back then. Like that. Ganyan. It's feeling like she, may gato yun eh. She tried. Ganyan. Basta, she tried for something good thing. Waiting for. Ganun siya, Mima Basco. Medyo mahirap. Hindi nyo kakayanin. Huwag nyo nang pahirapan ang sarili nyo, Mima Basco. Ha? Para lang kayo doon sa mga ten, ten, ten. Ayan, aralin nyo. Ako kasi talaga medyo expert.